Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from happiness.com. And pasensya na kayo, malakas ang electric fan because it's hot. Anyway, we have another item from the Kasa Smart line of TP-Link. It's the Kasa Smart Light bulb that's dimmable. According to here, it's Wi-Fi, it's a LED light, 800 lumens, I assume. Okay. If you remember, a couple of weeks ago, months ago, we also unboxed another TP-Link smart device, the smart Wi-Fi plug, the HS100. It's also on our YouTube already. So you can check it. You can use that to turn off, turn on your plug and whatever else is plugged in there on the schedule that you want. Now, this one is, it's a bulb naman. It's dimmable down from 1 to 100%. No hub required, connects to your Wi-Fi. Okay, and I assume this plugs in right into your light bulb. You can control anywhere using the Kasa app. I actually double checked before. Meron ako, no. See, it's here. The smart plug. I don't know where the kids put the smart plug anymore. And you can set scenes and all that stuff. There's the light ratings, I guess. And it's so easy to set up. According to here, you just need to download the app. Meron naman ako ng app. So, we'll open it so that you can see it. That's the switchblade that I bought sa Lazada way back. Okay. Yeah, okay. So, comes with the manual. Okay. And there's the bulb. Okay, it's a simple bulb. Medyo mabigat siya, no? Oop, natatakpan pala yung ilaw. So, can you see it? Yan. Okay. Yun, nakalagay 800 lumens. Okay. To 10 watts ang katumbas niya. So, we'll put this, we'll test it out. We'll put it there in the light socket and we'll check it out. So, we'll pause it muna. We'll be back. So, we're gonna add the device. We're gonna check cameras, blah, 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 blah. So, it's a smart bulb. What's the series? Doesn't say. Doesn't say what kind of series this is. Wait. KL110. Okay, so I guess here. Next. Yeah, it's gonna start blinking when you plugged it in. Mine did blink, okay. So we're looking for it now. Allow. So that's my router. Join. It's starting to blink, ano. The light's already plugged into the room. It's a yellow light. So we'll see if we can do it white kasi gusto ko white. I don't like the yellow light. I find it too dark. Ngayon, nag-increase yung intensity niya ng light. Okay, still trying to connect, I think. So, we'll wait. Allow. Smart bulb. Bulb, not bulb. Bulb. Next. Okay. So it says it's done. We'll see. Okay. We can turn off. Yup. Namatay. Turn it on again. Okay. We'll see 1%. Okay. So there's 1, 25, 75, and 100%. Okay. What else can we do with the light? Said you can put scenery. Okay. I guess when you wake up. Okay. That's in the morning. What else can you do? There you can. Okay, get started. You can change the yung power, no? Ayan. As you can see. Okay. Yung brightness. To power it off. Usage. Now you can see how much power it uses. Can we change the color? I don't think you can change the color. Okay. You can schedule when it turns on and turns off, I guess. So you can use this when pag walang tao sa bahay na para mukhang may tao. And so far, I think that's it. So if you want to have a smart bulb in your house, you can try to look for this online. Okay. It's from TP Link. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thanks. Bye.